Welcome to our channel for effortless and enjoyable history understanding. In this video, we cover a crucial event with a succinct overview of the event and its significance. Join us as we uncover the past. The compass is a simple yet revolutionary device that has played an important role in human history. It is used for navigation, allowing sailors to determine their direction of travel even when there are no visible landmarks or stars to guide them. The compass works by utilizing the Earth's magnetic field, which is created by the movement of molten iron in the planet's core. The earliest compasses were probably invented in China during the Han Dynasty. These early compasses were made of lodestone, a naturally occurring magnetic mineral that was discovered in China. The lodestone was magnetized by rubbing it against iron, and then suspended by a thread or placed on a floating piece of wood. This allowed the lodestone to rotate freely and align itself with the Earth's magnetic field, indicating the direction of north. The use of the compass spread throughout the world, and it became an essential tool for navigation on land and sea. During the Age of Exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries, the compass enabled sailors to navigate across the oceans and discover new lands. It was used by explorers such as Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, and Vasco da Gama, and played a key role in the development of global trade and commerce. The invention of the compass also had important scientific implications. It helped to confirm the theory that the Earth was a magnet, and it allowed scientists to study the Earth's magnetic field in more detail. This led to the discovery of magnetic declination, which is the difference between true north and magnetic north. It was also used in the development of the first magnetic compasses, which were more accurate than the lodestone compasses and could be used on ships even in rough seas. The compass has continued to evolve over the centuries. In the 19th century, the invention of the gyro compass allowed for even more accurate navigation. The gyro compass uses a spinning rotor to align itself with the Earth's rotation, rather than the magnetic field. This makes it less susceptible to interference from other magnetic sources, such as the iron in a ship's hull. Today, the compass is still an important tool for navigation, although it has been largely replaced by modern technologies such as GPS. However, the compass remains a symbol of exploration and discovery, and its influence can be seen in many aspects of modern life, from the design of maps and globes to the use of north as a reference point in geographic and political systems. In conclusion, the compass is a simple yet revolutionary invention that has had a profound impact on human history. It allowed sailors to navigate across the oceans and discover new lands, and it helped to confirm the theory that the Earth was a magnet. The compass continues to be an important tool for navigation, and its legacy can be seen in many aspects of modern life. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.